Fine, let us go with the 30th problem. This is the last one. Let us solve this. Right, the product of two numbers is 2925. If LCM is 195, find the HCF. Right, so we know the formula, that is LCM into HCF is equal to the product of two numbers. Right, product of two numbers. Right, now LCM they have given, that is 195 into HCF is equal to the product of two numbers they have given, that is 2925. So we need to find HCF, right? HCF is equal to 2925 that divided by 195. Now simplify it. Right. So let me go with the 5. So 5 4s are 20. So 5 3s are, so 45, 5 9s are. Correct? 39. 5, this is 2925. 5 5s are 4. 5 8s are 2. 5 5s are. Now this is going to become 585 by 39. Let me divide by 3. 13. Because 13 3s are. Right? Otherwise go with the 3 only. 3 13s are. Right? 3 1s are. 2 remainder. 3 9s are. Correct? 3 9s are. 1 remainder 5. So this will become 195 by 13. Now you can start. 13 1s are, right? 13 1s are. So here also 13 1s are. 6 remainder. So 65. 13 5s are. So the answer here is 15. 15 is the HCF of this. The answer here is 15. Right, let me go with the second problem here. Right, let us go with this. What they have given here. Sohan brought a rice at 4,800 rupees 75 paisa per quintal. Due to fall in prices, right? So prices, you could sell it as 4,600 rupees 75 per quintal. Find his total loss if he has bought 13.5 quintal. This is what the case is. Now the loss, let us check out. Loss is equal to what? Selling price, cost price minus selling price. Cost price is how much? It is 4,875 paisa minus 4,675 paisa. Now the loss is what? It is 0. Correct? Now 0 0. Oh, 8 minus 6 is 2. So 200 rupees is incurring a loss. 200 rupees. The loss is 200 rupees per quintal. Correct? Per quintal. Now we are supposed to find the total loss of Sohan. The total loss is equal to he brought 13.5 quintal rice, right? That is 200 into 13.5. Let us multiply it. So you will get the answer. 5 zeros are 0, 0, 5 2s are 10, right? 3 zeros are 0, 0, 3 2s are 6. 1 zeros are 0, 0, 1 2s are 2. 0, 0, 0, 6 plus 1, 7 and 2. Right. So 1 decimal. So he incurred a loss of 2,700 rupees for 13.5 quintal. Hope you understood. This is the answer. 2,700 rupees he lost.